Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Real Numbers exercise 1.1 first sum over here. Let's see the question. Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 135 and 225, 196 and 38220, 867 and 255. Okay, in the lower classes we have learned to find HCF by prime factorization method. Here they have asked us to find Euclid division algorithm method to find the HCF. This you have learnt before, but I'll tell you how to do it. It is 135 and 225. The numbers are 135 and 225. We are going to put in this formula A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0, less than B. This is called the Euclid division algorithm formula. Okay, I'll give you one example now. I'm going to divide 7 by 2. If I divide 2 3s are 6, my remainder will be 1. We used to find the dividend. We used to check the dividend. That is, dividend is equal to the divisor into quotient. That is 2 into 3. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. If you multiply and add, you will get your 7. This is the method we used to check. The same method we are going to apply here. My dividend is equal to the divisor. Q here is quotient and R will be your remainder. So the biggest number, take the big number to be A. So 225 will be my A. This is equal to 135 will be your B. Always the bigger number will be A and the smaller number will be B. Into quotient, we don't know, we need to divide and check. So divide 225 with 135. Ones are 135. The remainder will be 90. So into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So now bring this number to A. So this will become 135 is equal to, here your 90 will become B. So 90, again you need to divide 135. So 90 into 1s are 90. Here the remainder will become 45. So into quotient plus remainder. Again bring 90 to A's place and 45 to B's place. Now divide 45 2s are 90, I know, plus 0. Stop till 0 comes. The remainder should be 0. If the remainder is 0, just stop the question, stop doing it. After equal to will be your HCF. Don't forget that HCF will be equal to 45. Usually people used to write HCF to be 2. It is not 2. This will be equal to, after equal to will be your HCF. So HCF here is 45. In the first sum, your HCF is 45. We'll move on to the second one. Second sum is 196 and 38220. Again the formula by Euclid division algorithm. The formula is A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0, less than B. That is, usually your remainder will be 0, 1. It can't be 2. It can't be greater than 2. It will be always less than 2. So your remainder will be always less than B's value and it will be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, the greater number will be your A. So 38220, write it as A is equal to, B is 196. We don't know the quotient, so I am going to divide. 38220 divided by 196. Ones are 196. 6, remainder is 6. So here 8 comes, here 1. I am bringing 2 over here. Now 9s are 196, 9s are 4, 6, 7, 1. Now we need to subtract. If I subtract 12 with 4, I get 8. Here 9, bring that 0 over here. Again it goes in 5 tables. 5s are 980, so the remainder will become 0. So into quotient into 195 plus the remainder 0. As 0 comes, we need to stop it. So I am dropping out. Now your HCF will be the number which is after the equal to symbol. So 196 will be my HCF. So the second sum, the answer is 196. The HCF of the given number is 196. We'll move on to the third one. Third one, the question is 867 and 255. I'll write the formula. By Euclid division algorithm, we know the formula to be A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is greater than or equal to 0, less than B. Always write the greater number to be A. So 867 is equal to 255. Divide and check for quotient and remainder. So 867 divided by 255. 2s are 3s are 15, 6, 7. So if I subtract here, I get 2, here 0 and here 1. So my quotient will be 3 and my remainder will be 102. So 3 in plus 102. Again write this number to be A. So 255 is equal to, and this as B. Divide and check for the quotient and the remainder. So 255 divided by 102. 2s are 204. The remainder will be 1 and 5. So 51 into quotient plus remainder. As remainder is not equal to 0, continue the steps. Bring this number to here. So 102 is equal to, and 51 over here. 51 2s are 102. So the remainder will be 0. So plus 0, as it is 0, stop it. Your HCF will be the number which is after equal to. So the HCF here is 51. So last sum HCF is 51. That's all with the sum. Thank you.